Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, good afternoon. Sorry for that. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. So, can we start now? Please let me know audio video is right. Please let me know audio video is okay or not. Please let me know audio video is okay or not. Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Please let me know audio video okay or not. Foundation class of programming and data structure. Foundation class of programming and data structure. Lecture number 1. Lecture number 1. Lecture number 1. Right? So few lectures are there. Please try to get all the lectures. Foundation class of programming and data structure. Lecture number 1. Right? So let's start this. Let's start this. So with the help of problems I will explain. With the help of problems I will explain. Can you help me? This is the program. What is the output? If you know, please let me know. What is the output of this problem? This is the problem. What is the output of this program? Can you check? I will explain with the help of problems. Foundations at foundation class of programming and data structure. With the help of examples I will explain. With the help of this problem, I want to explain few basics. With the help of this problem, I want to explain few basics. Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Can you try this? The value printed by the following program is, if anyone knows, these kind of things will come in the exam, right? Last year GATE exam also one question came like this. Every year in GATE examination, 5 questions will come from the programming. Every year in the GATE examination, 5 questions will come. Similar kind of programs will come every time. Similar kind of programs will come every time. The value printed by the following program is, right? So foundations, right? Basic things which are required I will explain to you with the help of problems. If I say theoretical things you can find out anywhere. Theoretical things you can find out anywhere, right? If I explain with the help of numerical, you will get more clarity. You will get more clarity. Right? Let's start. Let's start this. So one program is there, main program, right? Let's see this one. So program execution will start from where? If anyone don't know, if anyone knows, please can you chat, right? In the chat box can you type? In the chat box can you type? Program execution will start from where? Program execution will start from where? Program execution will start from where? Main program, right? Main program onwards, program execution will start. From here it will start. From main it will start. Right? C language is a procedural language, procedure. It will follow the procedure. C language is a procedural language. It will follow some procedure. So from main onwards it will execute. From main onwards it will execute. Now see this one. See everyone now, int I is equal to 5, j is equal to 10. Remember, this is called declaration. This is called declaration. Declaration purpose is creating memory. So let me create. Right? Int I is equal to 5, j is equal to 10 means it is the declaration. Declaration purpose is creating memory. Can you help? Int I is equal to 5 means for the variable I, memory will create. So value is 5, address is 1000. Declaration purpose is creating memory. Int I is equal to 5. So I value will be 5 stored, address is 1000. What is the meaning? In the memory, in the main memory, 1000 memory location will be allocated to I. And value inside is 5. Next one. For the variable j also memory will create in the main memory somewhere. Assume that at the 2000 memory location j created. Value is 10. Declaration purpose is creating memory. Right? Whenever program is running, program is there in the main memory. Whenever program is running, program is there in the main memory. Declaration purpose is creating memory. Declaration purpose is creating memory. So I created. Now can I help those people who are watching, see this one, because of declaration, right? Int I comma j, two variables are created, I and j, two variables created in the main memory. I memory address is 1000, j memory address is 2000. If I say print I, listen, if I say print I, always you remember, if I say print I, inside thing will be printed. Print I, inside thing will be printed. Print j, inside thing will be printed. When I say I, inside thing will be printed. When I say ampersand I, right, this will be printed. Ampersand I means this will be printed. See this one. I means this will be printed. Ampersand I means this will be printed. Careful. In the similar way, j means e will be printed. Right? Ampersand j means e will be printed. So please careful. Right? Right? Program execution will start from main. Declaration purpose is creating memory. So I created. If I say after creating memory, if I say print I, 5 will be printed. Print ampersand I, address will be printed 1000. Right? Print j means 10 will be printed. Print ampersand j means 2000 will be printed. So that is the number 1. Let's go to number 2. Can you say number 2? If you see f of ampersand I comma j, everyone know f is a function call. Because of it is a function call, f is called, it will go there. You are calling f, it will go. But one thing is true. What is the first one you are calling? Ampersand I. You are passing the first parameter. Ampersand I address you are passing. What is the answer? 1000. First 1000 will go. First parameter you are passing is ampersand I. 1000 will go. Next you are passing j. Everyone know j means inside. Ampersand j means address. J means I think 10. 10 is going. Second 10 will go. You are calling function f, which taking two parameter and it is going. First parameter is ampersand I address is 1000 will go. Second parameter is j, 10 will go. Now one more thing I want to ask you, one more. So you have to execute this function now. But one small question I want to ask you. Again here also declaration, see two declaration. Right? See everyone now. Ampersand I came means 1000 came. Right? J came, 10 came. So listen, I is not came, j is not came. Ampersand I means 1000 is came. J means 10 came. I not came, j not came. Ampersand I came 1000, j came 10 came. But whenever few people came, but to store them some memory required, the receiving end. So this is the sending end, this is the receiving end. Receiving end also memory should create. Right? So listen everyone now, declaration purpose creating memory, int star p memory will allocate. Next one, int m also memory will allocate. When you say declaration memory will allocate, let us assume that it is 3000 memory location. 3000 memory location, p created. Next one, 4000 memory location, m created. Can you say inside p what is there? 1000. Can you say inside m what is there? 10. These are the things what you passed, they will come. But one small question I want to ask you, inside p you stored something. Inside m also you stored something, that's okay. But inside m you stored value or address? Value. Inside m you stored value. Because, so see this one, value came, you stored value. Inside p, right, address came, address stored. See, ampersand I address. Remember, inside p you are not stored value. Inside p you stored address, right? If you store inside any one address, that is called as star p, int star p. What is the meaning of int p? Inside p you are storing value. What is the int star p? Inside you are storing address. Inside any person, if you store address, declaration time you have to say int star p. Inside anyone, if you want to store value, declaration time simply say int p. Int p means inside p you are storing value. Int star p means inside p you are storing address. This is the difference. Inside P, what you are storing? Inside P, I am storing address. So declaration time you have to declare like this one. Inside P, what you are storing? Value I am storing. Int P, star is not required. Remember, inside anyone, if you store address, declaration time you have to store declaration time you have to write int star P. Inside any person, if you store value, declaration time you have to say P. Careful. Check if anyone having any doubt. Till now, if anyone having any doubt, let me know. Till now, if anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Are you okay till now? Are you okay till now? And one more thing, if you observe clearly, see this one. Int I is equal to 5. What is the meaning? Inside I, you are storing value. Int j is equal to 10. Inside j, you are storing value. But see this one. It is int m. Inside m, you are storing value. But it is int star p. Inside p, I am storing address. Inside P, I am storing address. Right, like that. Like that. Okay, I think if you are okay, now let me ask you. Right, everyone know, right, declaration you done, everything is fine. Let's see the story. Listen, let's see the story. Right, when you say variable, declarations are over, everything okay. When you say variable, listen, print m, variable means m means it will be printed. But when you say ampersand m, it will be printed. Careful. When you say P, it will be printed. When you say ampersand P, it will be printed. So careful everyone. M, right? P means this only. P means inside only. Ampersand P means outside. Careful everyone. What is M? 10. What is the 10 plus 5? 15. Will goes to M. Inside M. Previously the 10, now 15. Next one. Now listen everyone listen. What is P? Everyone know. Variable means inside. What is the P? 1000. P is 1000. Listen, P is 1000. What is star P? Remember. P is 1000. Star P means the value inside 1000. What is the answer? 5. P 1000. Listen, P is 1000. I am writing here. P 1000. P is 1000, variable means inside 1000, P 1000, right? Star P means the value inside 1000, 5 there. Star P, star 1000, 5 is K. 5 plus, what is this M? M means 15. 5 plus 15, which will goes to 20, right? That 20 will be stored. Star P. What is the P? Everyone know. Variable means, always remember, P means inside. Variable means inside. What is the P? 1000. What is star 1000? The value inside 1000. I think 5. 5 place replaced by 20. This is replaced by 20. So second line also, first line completed, second line. Let's go to the third line, return. Return means, I think, see, you are not returning any value. Simply return. Control will come back to from which place you went. Now third line will execute. What is the third line? Print a percentage D I plus J. What is the I? I is 20. What is the J? 10. Totally 30. 30 will be printed. Answer is 30 will be printed. Please let me know if anyone having doubt. Check anyone having any doubt. Check anyone having any doubt. Hi. Hi everyone, right. So I think this is the answer. Answer for this problem is 30. If anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Any doubt is there. Any doubt is there, I will help you. So this is the answer for this, right? In this problem, listen, in this problem you have to understand. In this problem, I want to explain to you few basics. What is that one? What is the purpose of declaration? I want to explain in this problem, right? What is the purpose of declaration? Purpose of declaration is creating memory. Where memory will allocate, right? Whenever program is running, memory will be allocated in the main memory. Declaration purpose is creating memory, right? Where memory will be created, right? When the program is running, program is there in the main memory. Main memory will be allocated. Main memory or cache memory, whatever you want, you can call it as. Right? And one more, how much memory created depending upon data type. Suppose if the data type is integer, 2 byte created. If data type is float, 4 bytes created. If data byte is data type is char, 1 byte is created, something like that. How you declared? If you declare as a integer, 2 bytes. If you declare as a float, 4 bytes. If you declare as a char, 1 byte. Right, 1 byte, like that they will be, right, they will be, right, like that memory will be stored. Int I is equal to 5, j is equal to 10. Memory will be created. Next one. Some people are asking, sir, inside any person, if I want to store value, suppose inside A, listen, inside A I want to store integer data, then write int A. Inside A you want to store integer data, then write int A. Inside A I want to store address, then write int star A. This is the difference. Inside A I want to store value int A. Inside A I want to store address int star A. This is the difference, right? From this problem, first one is declaration, you have to learn. Purpose of declaration, creating memory. How much memory depending upon data type. If data type is integer, 2 byte, char, 1 byte, float, 4 bytes. And one more, how to declare a variable if I want to store inside that address int star A. How to declare a variable inside I want to store data int A. Like that you do. And one more thing I want to ask you. Please listen this also. I have one address. I want to get data from this address. I have one address. From this address, I want to get data. Say star 1000 data will come. Can you say 1000 is the address? Yes. Star 1000. The value inside 1000, 20 will come. Star is nothing but memory access. Star is nothing but memory access. Right? Star is nothing but memory access. Careful. Star is nothing but memory access. Any person address if you want, use ampersand. Any person value required, say star. Any person address, right? Suppose in that A address, ampersand A. Suppose isn't that at the 1000 I want data, star 1000. Star will give value, ampersand will give address. Because of ampersand is giving address, people used to say that, right? This ampersand is a address operator, reference operator. And one more, star will give value of address. Address means reference operator, but it will give value. So this is called dereference operator. This is called dereference operator. Right? Remember, this is called dereference operator. Star is called dereference operator. Ampersand is called reference operator. I will write here. Star is dereference operator. Ampersand is a reference operator. So one person will take value, he will give address. One person will take address, he will give value. That is the reason dereference, reference. Reference means address. Who will give address? Ampersand. Dereference means value. Who will give star? Yeah, I will very soon. Sahil, I will start from April, right? From 30 March, right? This month ending. 30 March onwards I will start. 30 March onward I will start. This month 30 onwards, right? Programming and DS starting. Programming and DS is starting. This month 30 March. 30 March onwards, programming and DS is starting. 30 March onwards, programming and DS is starting. Right. Someone is saying my favorite sir is ReddySir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's go to right, one more. In this problem, few basics I will cover, but before going to cover, can you check by yourself what will be the answer? Before going to cover, can you check yourself what will be the answer? What will be the answer for this problem? In the previous problem, few basics I covered. Previous problem, what basics I covered? What is star? What is the use of star? What is the use of ampersand? What is the use of declaration? Where memory will be created? Few basics I said. If I want to store address, how I will store? If I want to store address, how to declare? If I want to store data, how to declare? I have to say clearly. Right, I done that. Do plus students need to watch this? Right? No, not required. Viral, right? It's not required. It's not for you. It's not for you. Right? It is not for you. So if anyone is there who is the plus student, it is not for you, because anyhow in your class it will come. Anyhow it will be there in your class. So don't worry. Please check what is the answer of this problem. Please check what is the answer of this problem. So in this problem also few basics I will cover. In this problem also few basics I will cover. Anyone knows answer, please let me know. Rajan, join in the, right? Join second year first sem. Second year starting you can join. Second year starting you can join. So what is the answer of this? If anyone knows, I will explain. With the help of this problem, I will explain few basics. With the help of this one, I will explain a few basics. Consider the following program. One program is given. What will be the output? Remember in this program, I am using one function. Max of x comma y returns maximum of x and y. Max of x comma y returns maximum of x and y. So he's asking, right, at somewhere you are using maximum here. It will return maximum of x and y. Suppose if I give x 10, y 20, this program will return 20. This program will return 20. Max of x comma y, max of 10 comma 20 return maximum of x and y. Maximum of x and y. Right, so I will explain what basics are possible in this. I will explain. I am explaining the basics, right, in every problem, whatever is required. First I will explain the basics, right, afterwards we will go to the problem. Let's start one by one. Can I say program execution will start from where? Program execution will start from where? Program execution will start from where? Everyone know, main program, main onwards it will start. Let's start main. From here it will start. So int a is equal to 35264, right? Everyone know it is a array. It is a array. Listen everyone. Right? Everyone listen. It is a declaration for array. Array declaration. Remember, declaration means creating memory. Declaration means creating memory. Declaration means creating memory. Is it a variable declaration or array declaration creating memory? Some people are asking, sir, how you know that it is a array declaration? See, bracket. Bracket means array. Int a, bracket means array. Careful. And one more, array means so many elements, nothing there. Array means so many elements, nothing there. So first 3 will store, next 5 will store, next 2 will be stored, next 6 will be stored, next 4 will be stored. First 3, 5, 2, 6, 4 like that. And one more. The address of this one is 1000. Because of it is an integer array, every element is 2 byte. It is the 1000, it is the 1002, it is the 1004, it is the 1006, it is the 1008 like this. Array name is A, which contains 0 to 4 element. The elements inside, if you see, 35264. And one more, every element having address. The only difference between, right, normal variables and arrays is array will be continuous. The only difference between normal variable and array is array means continuous. Array means continuous. Right, normal variable, suppose assume that 5 people I want to create normal, right, 5 different memory locations they may create. 5 variables I want to create, right. If I create normally int a, b, c, d like that 5 times, if I declare, right, 5 different places memory may create. Sometimes it will create continuously also. Sometimes it may create continuously also. Sometimes, right, may not be continuous. But array always guarantee continuous. Array always guarantee continuous, right? Please be careful. Someone is asking why 1000. Someone is asking why address 1000. If not 1000, you keep any address. Right? If not 1000, keep any address. Tanuj, you can keep any address. You can keep 0 also. But one thing, because of it is an array, continuously memory should be created. If the first one is 1000, next one 1002, because every integer is 2 bytes. If the first one 1000, second one 1002, next 1004, next 1006, next 1008. Suppose if you take the first one as 5000, right? Next one 5002, 5004, 5006, 5008 like that. Some people are asking, sir, why byte 2? Integer byte 2. So see this one, declaration. Integer 2 bytes. Character 1 byte. Float 4 bytes. Right? Depending upon data type. Array, okay, array means continuous. But what is the every element size? Integer 2 byte. Float 4 byte. Char 1 byte. Like that. Check. Nice questions. Many people are asking many questions. I am very happy. Many people are asking many questions. I am very happy. So please let me know if you have any doubts. Please let me know if you have any doubts. Till now, any doubt? Please let me know if you have doubt. Yeah, someone is saying that it can be 4 bytes also. Someone is saying it can be 4 bytes also. If they mention, right, Shambhavi, if they mention in the question paper, integer is 4 bytes, then take. If they mention, you take. If they don't mention, go for 2 bytes only. If they mention, take 4 bytes. If they mention integer is 4 bytes, take. If they mention integer is 20 bytes, you take. If they mention integer is 30 byte, you take. If they don't mention, go for 2 bytes. Some people are asking, Ankit is saying, will the answer will change by assuming the address? No. If really required, see, Ankit, if that is the question, right, answer will change by changing the address. If that is the story, he could have given the address. He is not given address in the problem, means it doesn't matter. You can start from anywhere. He is not mentioned. If you want, you can check, see the problem. Nowhere he mentioned what is the address. So it doesn't matter. And one more thing I want to ask you. Listen, one more thing I want to ask you. Is he mentioned at anywhere integer 2 bytes? Is he mentioned? At anywhere is he mentioned integer is 2 bytes? Is he mentioned at anywhere integer 2 bytes? He didn't mention. That means that is also not required. You take whatever size you required. Suppose if he don't mention anything, from today onwards you follow. If he don't mention anything, by default take 2 bytes integer. 1 byte char, 1, right, 2 byte is integer, 1 byte is char, right, 4 bytes is float, right. See one time, right, one time. If you want, I will write also integer 2 bytes. If they don't mention anything, character 1 byte, float, right, 4 bytes. If they don't mention, take this. If they mention, whatever they will mention, you take. Any doubts? If answer will change by assuming the address, then he will definitely give in the question paper. If address is deciding the answer, he will give. He is not given means it doesn't matter. Any doubt till now? Verify if any doubt till now. Hello, if any doubt till now, please verify. If you have any doubt till now, please verify. Are you there? It is the afternoon. Are you there or you are sleeping? It is the afternoon. Are you there or sleeping? Sumit, are you there? Ankit, are you there? You people there are sleeping. Shambhavi, you there? You there? Those people who are there and not responding, go to hell. Those people who are there and not responding, go to hell. You just go to hell. Those people who are there and not responding, go to hell. And God is seeing from top. If you there and if you are not responding, God is seeing from top. If you there and you are not responding, God is seeing from top. Please remember. Right. Now can you help me now? Those people who are watching, let me know few questions. Is the array created? See the problem and give answer. Is the array created? First question is the array created? Good afternoon, Nishu. Good afternoon. Nishu, what rank you got? Nishu, what rank you got? Right, array created. Now see, array created. What is the size of the array? What is the size of the array? Array created is okay, but how much size of array created? How much size of array created? I think 5 people, 5 to 10 bytes. 10 bytes of memory created. 10 bytes of memory created. 5 to 10, 10 bytes of memory created. Right, 5 people, everyone is 2 bytes, 10 bytes of memory created. So remember size of the array is everyone 2 byte, everyone 2 byte, everyone 2 byte. Like that 5 times, 10 bytes of memory created. 10 bytes of memory created. 10 bytes of memory created. And one more, array name means what? Array name is base address. Array name means base address, 1000. Array name means base address, please remember. Array name means base address, please remember. If I say print A, 1000 will be printed. Array name means base address. Base address means right, 0th person address. Array name means base address, 0th person address, which is 1000. Which is 1000. Careful. Which is 1000. Right, careful. So array is created, 10 bytes of memory created. First person address is 1000 because of everyone 2 byte. Next one 1002, next one 1004, next one 1006, next one 1008. Like that they created. Right, everyone 2 bytes. Everyone 2 bytes. And one more, array name means base address. Array name means base address. 1000 will be array name. Right, because of everything is okay. Let's start. Function f is called. Function f is called. Can you help me now? A going. What is the meaning? Array name means base address. A going. What is going? 1000 going. 1000 going. A going means array name means base address. 1000 going. Next one. 5 going. 5 only. 5 going. And one more thing I want to ask you. 5 is going. 5 is value. To store value. One normal variable enough. In 10 memory will create. Address of this one is maybe 2000. Inside 5 will be there. And one more. In P also memory will allocate. But it is a declaration. Means inside you are storing address. Yes. Inside I am storing address 1000. If you store inside any person address, you have to declare as star. If you store inside any person, right, address at the time of declaration, you have to store, you have to save as int star p. Careful. Are you storing inside p address? Int star p. Are you storing inside n value? Int 10. Like that. Now one more thing everyone know. Variable name means inside. Variable name is inside. If I say n, 5 will be printed. If I say p, 1000 will be printed. Next one. If I say ampersand n, 2000 will come. If I say ampersand p, right, 3000 will come. Right, now come here now. If n is less than or equal to 1, return 0. See this one. Everyone now, variable means what? Inside. Variable means inside. Can you say what is the n here? 5. 5 less than or equal to 1, return 0. Otherwise this story. What is that one? Max of f of p plus 1, n minus 1, p minus p of 0 minus p of 1. We have to explain. Please careful, this is going to be very difficult one. Right? Let's see any space is there. Right? Space is there or not, I will verify. Right? Space is there or not, I will verify. So inside the f function there is a one function called f of p plus 1 minus 1, p of 0 minus p of 1. Right? I will try. Lack of space. I am managing somehow. Let's check. Let me manage. Previous problem is over. Just I am removing that because I need space. So that I can write here. Yeah, I will try to do this. Careful, just wait a few minutes. It's a very nice problem. Yeah, let me execute it. Everything is ready, let me execute. Let me execute this. Can you help me now? What is came? P1000, right? P1000, right? N is 5, right? N is 5. I will write here. I will write here. I will write here. So this, see everyone now? F function. F function. Here P there. And one more here N is there. What is the P? Already we done. What is the P? 1000. This is the 1000. What is the N? I think N is 5. P is 1000. N is 5. N is 5. Right? Now go inside. Now go inside. So this function is called. This function is called inside, you see. Inside. Right? So N value is 5. 5 less than or equal to 1. Return 0. No. Now else return max of, right, something here. Let's see here. Here I think first one, there is nothing to do. Let's leave it. See the second one. Return max of. What are those? Let's check. Max of. What are those? First one. F of P plus 1 minus 1. Right? Let me write. F of max of F of P plus 1 N minus 1. Like this. Comma. P of 0 minus P of 1. Let me check. P of 0 minus P of 1. Like this is there. P of 0 minus P of 1. Followed by brackets. First let's complete this. Then we will talk about remaining things. First let me complete this. Can you see F of P plus 1? F of P plus 1. What is the P plus 1 here? F of P plus 1. What is the P? P 1000. Because of integer pointer, every time 2 bytes will increase. Right? Next one, it is the integer value. Integer value is always plus 1 minus 1. If it is the minus 1. If it is the plus 1. Can you help me now? So what is the answer? N minus 1. N is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Integer pointer always will increment. See, P is a address. Address will, right? Integer address always will increment by 2. Integer address will always increment by 2. Careful. Integer data will always increment by or decrement by 1. Integer data are, right? Integer data always decrement or increment by 1. But pointer, right? Pointer means address. Integer pointer will always increment by 2 bytes. Careful. So I think this 1000 and, right? 1000 P plus 1 become 1002. N minus 1 is becomes 4. Now same story will repeat. What is the meaning? I think same story. Right? What is the answer? In one function call is there. Inside what is the first step? N value is 4. 4 less than or equal to 1. Condition is fail. 1 fail. Let's go to the 2. Max of. What is the answer? F of. Same way. F of P plus 1 again. N minus 1. Right? Comma. There is a. What is the answer? What is the answer? P of 0, P of 1. P of 0, P of 1. P of 0, P of 1. Careful. Right? We'll see. So you have to return a maximum of this. Lack of space I am adjusting. Otherwise here nothing is there. Right? Now can you help me? What is the P plus 1? Already previously P is 1002. 1002. Plus 1 means 1004 here. Right? N minus 1. It became 3. It will continue further. What is the next one? Again same story. F of. What is the answer now? F of P plus 1. N minus 1. Here max is there. Followed by P of 0 minus P of 1. Right? Same story. It will also repeat again. It became 1006. It became 2. 1006. Again same story. 1 is fail. What are the 2? F of P plus 1. N minus 1. So what it will become? 1008. It will become 1. If you see the condition, n less than or equal to 1, condition true. Right? Let's see what happened. So what is the answer? I think here again P of 0 minus P of 1. Let me check. F of P plus 1 and N minus 1. Right? This is the thing. N minus 1. Right? Same thing. N minus 1. Now can you help me now? If you observe clearly, what is the condition here? So I think one person 1008, one person is 1. Let's check. 1 less than or equal to 1, return 0. I think when you come here, returning value is, what is the answer? Return 0. 0 will come. You are returning 0. Let me write here 0. This area is 0. This area is 0. Now can you help me? What are the P of 0 minus P of 1? See, everywhere same. P of 0 minus P of 1. Right? P of 0 minus P of 1. Check here if anything wrong. Right? So let me try this one. It is the 1004. This is the 1000. This call is 1002. This call is 1004. This call is 1006. 1006, right? 1006 inside. This call is 1000 and this call is 1006. This call is 1008. This call is 1008, right? When I am starting, it is written. Now say this one. P value becomes, at this place P value becomes, if you see the P value, at this place if you see the P value 1006, because P plus 1 is 1008. P plus 1 is 1008, right? P is going to be 1006 only. Can you help me now? So P of 0 minus P of 1. The meaning of this one is 1006. P is 1006. 1006 star, right? P of 0 means value inside. What is the 1006? What is the 1006? 6 will be there. Here 6 will be there. What is the 1001? 1006. What is the 1008? Because of P plus 1. 1006 plus 1, which is going to be 1008. What is the 1008 inside? 4. What is the 6 minus 4? 2. Right? I think everyone knows this is 0. This value becomes 2. What is the maximum? 0 comma 2 is going to be maximum. Here maximum is there. Maximum is going to be 2. This is going to be 2. Now can you help me? In this function call, what is the P? P plus 1 is 1006. What is the P? P is going to be 1004 only. Right? 1004. What is the 1004 value? 2. What is the 1004. 1006 value. 1006 value. 6 there. 6 there. Please check properly. Right? So this will goes to 2. This is going to be 2 minus 6 is going to be minus 4. Maximum is 2 only. So 2 will go here. Next one. What is the P of 0 minus P of 1? Remember 1000 and plus 1 is 1004. Means it is going to be 1002. What is the P of 0? 1002. What is the 1002? 5. What is the 1000 and, right? 1000. What is the 1004? 5. What is the 1000 and, right? Let's see here. P is going to be 1002. What is the 1002? 5. What is the 1004? 2. 5 minus 2, 3. This is 2. This is 3. Maximum is 3. This is 3. So 3 will go here. What is the P of 0 minus P of 1? P plus 1 is 1002. It's okay. But what is the P? Because I want P of 0. Right? So P is 1000 and 1000. What is the star 1000? Star 1000. 3. What is the P of 1? 5. 5. 3 minus 5 minus 2. I think 3 and minus 2. What is the answer? Maximum became 3. Answer is 3. Answer is 3. I think, see, some people may not getting this. 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 This is needed so many basics. This is needed so many basics. Next year, I'm really saying, this problem some people may be not getting. So many basics required. So many basics required. Can anyone help me now? So many basics. In the actual classes, they will come. I want to cover this one. Remember, P of 0 is nothing but star P plus 0. Remember, P of 0 is nothing but star P plus 0. Can you say P of 1 is nothing but star P plus 1. P of 0 is star P plus 0. P of 1 is star P plus 1. What is a star? If at all P having address, star will give value. And one more. P is a normal variable or address variable? Address variable. Remember, address variable, integer address variable, plus 1, 2 bytes will increase. M is a normal variable or a data variable? Data variable, integer data variable, plus 1 only. Point, right? Address integer variable, right? Plus 1 means 2 bytes. Right? They are very difficult to explain. So in the foundation classes, explaining all is very difficult. Just I want to introduce. Remember, P having, right, some address. If I say star, value will come. You cannot get all, right? In the original classes, trust me, in the original classes which will start from March, I given the date also. See, March 30 onwards, programming and data structure is starting. In that class, from basics onwards, I will start. From basics onwards. Some flow is there because of I have to cover many things in the few classes only, right? I kept whatever is possible. Some maybe you are not getting. In the original class you will get, because in the original class, listen, in the original class if you see 25 classes for programming and 30 classes for data structure. Total combinedly approximately 55 classes. Programming purpose 25 lectures, data structure purpose 30 lecture, totally 55 lectures, approximately 55 lectures. So 55 lectures if I want to cover in the 5 classes, very difficult. I am trying, right? If anyone is not getting, you no need to worry. In the original classes, right, 50 classes are there, A to Z you will get. In the original classes I used to say approximately 400 problems I will say. In the original classes I used to say 400 problems. Last year GATE examination, right, from the programming, right, 3 questions came, directly copy from notes. In TOC 7 questions are there, directly copy from notes. In compiler design, right, 6 questions are there, directly copy from notes. In algorithm 7 questions came, 4 questions directly copy. 3 will be tough. Remaining. So what I want to say, in all my subjects, totally 5 subjects I am teaching. In all my subjects, most of the questions are copy from notes. If you learn properly my classroom notes, they are more than enough. This is the foundations of the C programming and data structure. Few things, whatever is possible, I want to cover. What is the P of 0? Star P plus 0. What is the P of 1? Star P plus 1. Careful. And one more, right? The P already contain address, plus 1, 2 bytes will increase. So normally M is a normal person, means value only. What is the M plus 1? 1 only will increase. M plus 1 means 1 will increase. P plus 1 means 2 will increase, because P is containing address. Address person, if you increment plus 1, 2 bytes will increase. So I think everywhere same story. P of 0 minus P of 1. Everywhere P of 0 minus P of 1. I think in this program what he is doing is, right, see this one. In this program what he is doing, first he done this. 6 minus 4, what is the answer? 2. Next one, 2 minus 6, what is the answer? Minus 4. Next one, 5 minus 2, what is the answer? 3. Next one, 3 minus 5, what is the answer? Minus 2. Who is the bigger among all? 3. 3 will come. Answer is 3. That is the reason 3K. He will take the 2 people side by side. He will do subtract. Right? 0th one, first one, subtract. Minus 2. First one, second one, subtract. 3. Second one, third one, subtract. Minus 4. Third one, fourth one, subtract. 2. Overall, maximum one is going to be 3. That is the answer. In this problem, I said to you how to declare a array. What is the array size? What is the every element size? What is the meaning of array? Next one. If any person storing address, if I say plus 1, 2 bytes will increase. If anyone contain value, if I say, right, minus 1 or plus 1 only will increase, or right, minus 1 only will decrease. Check anyone having doubt. Check anyone having doubt. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. I think answer is C. Answer is 4. Answer is B. Answer is B. Answer is B. Answer is B. Check anyone having doubt. So this is very tough, right? Usman, it is very tough. So many basics are there. Don't worry. Don't worry. In our actual classes, 400 problem. Actual classes, 400 problem. You no need to worry. So answer for this problem is just I am introducing few things. How the gate problems look like I am explaining. I am not explaining A to Z. Because 400 problem, how can I explain in one or two problem? One or two problem, explaining all, not possible at all. One or two problem, explaining all, not possible at all. Just I want to ask you, how it is look. See, it is one of the gate problem. It is one of the gate problem. So many basics are involved. Whatever possible I said. See, array how to declare. In this problem you have to learn array how to declare. Array memory will be created, right? Continuous or non-continuous? Continuous. Array, every element is same size or not same size? Every element 2 bytes continuously. What the array name means? Array name means base address. In arrays, what is the meaning of P of 0? Star P plus 0. Next one. A variable which contain address, if I say plus 1, 2 bytes will increase. A variable which contain data, if I say plus 1, 1 byte only will increase. These are the basics of this problem. If anyone is not getting, no need to bother. In our actual classes, you are able to get all these things. Right? Let's come to little bit about the Unacademy. Those people who are new, to them it is useful. If you are new to the gate, right? If you are new to the Unacademy, these all will be useful to you. See this one. If you are preparing for gate exam, you want gate material. You are preparing for gate exam and you want gate material. What will you do is scan this QR code. You will get the gate material. Scan this QR code. You will get the gate material. Right? Every subject material if you want. Scan this QR code. If they ask the referral code, ReddySir you use. You will get the notes. If you want to get the Unacademy notes for computer science, right? Just use the referral code ReddySir and scan this QR code, you will get. Next one. If you want to join in Unacademy, right? If you want to join in Unacademy, if you want to get 100%, right? If you want to get up to 100%, if you want to get scholarship, right? You want to join Unacademy, some financial problem, you want to get the scholarship. What you do is write the exam well. In the exam, if you are top, see this one. In the exam, if you are top 3, 100% scholarship. You no need to pay 1 rupee also. In exam, right? In exam, your rank is top 10, 75% discount. In exam, you got top 50% discount. In exam, you got top 100, 25% discount. Please utilize this, right? So Unacademy providing so many facilities. You no need to pay also. You want to join Unacademy, you no need to pay also. Just write Unacademy combat, get the good rank. Top 3, 100%, top 10, 75%, top 50% scholarship, top 100, 25% discount. Utilize this. Use the referral code ReddySir if they ask you. Next one. See, everyone have to see this slide. Everyone have to see this slide. See, like you, this person, Abhinav. Like you, right? This person, Abhinav, right? Last year this time. Like you, this person is Abhinav, my student. Last year this time is watching like you. Last year this time he is watching like you on YouTube. I suggested him, right? Why don't you join the Unacademy? He is giving very good answers on the YouTube. I asked few questions. Why don't you give answers? right? He's keep on giving the answers. I felt so good, I asked him, why don't you join Unacademy? So he written the Unacademy combat also. He got the maximum scholarship he got, right? So finally is the all India first ranker. You can see YouTube video also. I made one YouTube video also, you can see that, right? I made one YouTube interview also with Abhinav, right? So I taught to him 5 subjects, right? So out of, right, my 5 subjects are actually 40 marks. Abhinav got 40 out of 40. My 5 subjects are 40 marks. Abhinav got 40 out of 40. Almost every mark he got. He is the first ranker. He got 81 marks he got. Like you last year like you, he is also there on the YouTube. He is giving answers. If I ask any question, he is giving answer. I simply said to him, why don't you join Unacademy? Why don't you ride the combat? Why don't you get the good discount? Why don't you join? He joined. Finally he got first rank. In the YouTube video also, right? Interview also there, please check. How he followed the Unacademy lectures. You can see all of them. Like him, trust me. This year Unacademy got out of 100. Almost like 50 ranks. We are not counted. Almost like 50 ranks. Unacademy got below 100. Almost 50 ranks. My suggestion is, if anyone want to do something great, my suggestion is, please prepare seriously. If you want to crack the good gate rank, please prepare seriously, right? See this one, right? On YouTube I am solving the programming and data structure, only 5 classes. But if you join the Unacademy, right, 55 lectures, actually 55 lectures are there. On YouTube I am teaching only 5 lectures. All the things I have to teach only in 5 classes. But in the actual one, 55, so many problems you will see, approximately 400 program you will see. Starting small problem I will start, we will go to big problem. Small problem I will start, we will go to big problem. The problems whatever I explained, they are not in the sequence, they are random problems. But in the original classes what happened is, sequentially there is small problem to big problem. Approximately 400 programs I will explain. So this is the proof. Last year like you, he is there in the YouTube. Now we got first rank. So we got first rank. We got 4th rank. We got 8th rank. So many ranks, approximately below 100. 50 people are there below 100. 50 people. Trust me. Next year this time, out of 100, you may see 70 also. Next year this time, out of 100, you may see 70 people also, 80 people also, because, right, online is the best one. No need to coming going, no need to do that. You can stay in your room, you can just practice. Attend the lectures, practice. So some people are asking, sir, when the combat? See, combat. 27th March there is a combat at 11 a.m. 27th March there is a combat at 11 a.m. Next one. See this one. Unacademy Lite. It is an Unacademy test series. Unacademy test series. You can join Unacademy test series. You can subscribe now. You can join Unacademy test series. You can get the good discount. Right? So many quality questions are there. This Unacademy Lite, right? Unacademy test series is made by Unacademy educators, Unacademy top rankers. So join this Unacademy Lite test series and get the maximum advantage. And one more thing, listen, if you want to take 12 months course, if you want to join in 12 months course, you have to actually pay 43,000 plus. But if you use the referral code REDDYSIR, if you use the referral code REDDYSIR, if you use it, you have to pay only 29k. Right, 12 months you have to pay actually 43k. If you use the referral code REDDYSIR, you have to pay only 29k plus. Right, 24 months subscription if you want to take, actually you have to pay 59,000 plus. If you use the referral code REDDYSIR, you have to pay only 42,000k. Sorry, 42,000 plus. And one more, if you take the 12 month subscription today, 3 more months extra validity you will get. If you take 24 month subscription today, 4 more months extra validity you will get. Lot of advantages. Unacademy providing for the students so many facilities. No institute can provide this much quality with this much cheaper cost. With the very less cost, you are providing quality education. Right, very less cost. Right, Unacademy providing quality education. So my sincere suggestion, if you are serious without thinking anything, you can join. You can join. It's the best platform. Trust me, so many toppers will come in future. In future, all ranks belongs to Unacademy only. The reason is it's the best platform. It is the best platform. So many best teachers are there. Next one. One more warning to all of you. If you want to join plus course for 12 months, 12-month plus course if you want to join, you have to pay 32,000 plus. Right, current price is 32,000 plus. Right, if you use the referral code, maybe you have to pay 29,000, something like that. But remember everyone, right, there is a price hike from April 1st onwards. There is a price hike. You have to pay 35,000 plus. For plus course, 12 months you have to pay 32,000 plus. If you use the referral code, right, ReddySir, you will get some discount also. Right, so you have to pay 32,000 plus. Use the referral code, you will get some discount also. If you don't do that now, from April 1st onwards, you have to pay 35,000 plus. After discount, you may get approximately 33, something like that. My best suggestion, right, without thinking that much, please join and start preparing. From April 1st onward, don't cry, right, prices are increasing and all. And one more thing, Ascend batch is started for 2024 people. You can join, right? So in that batch I am teaching algorithm, data structures, TOC, compiler design, programming. These 5 subjects I am teaching. To this batch I am teaching all these 5 subjects. Approximately it will give 40 marks, it will give directly, mostly from notes it will come. 1 or 2 questions may come out of the notes, but mostly whatever I will teach, they will come in the exam, mostly. Next one, if you are preparing for 2023, you can join Evalu batch. In that batch also I am teaching 5 subjects, don't worry. Next one, you can go for plus or iconic. If you go for iconic, these many advantages. My suggestion is go for iconic. Right, if you join plus less facilities, if you go for iconic, more facilities. If you want to write 2024 GATE exam, 2 years subscription you take. If you go for if you want to write 2024 GATE, 2 years subscription you take. If you are going for a 2023 GATE exam, 1 year subscription you take. Right, if possible take iconic. Because you will get so many facilities. Test series will come freely that time. Right, next one, notes also will come freely that time. Next one, doubt solving also freely. Many advantages are there if you go for iconic. Many advantages. Right, let's go to this problem. See this. Let's go to this problem. So Priya saying that, sir, I have given GATE 2021, but I didn't qualify. What should I do? Should I prepare again or go for a job? The first question is, Priya, why you didn't qualify? That is the first question. What will be the reason for that? Why? First to clarify why. Accordingly, solutions will come. Right? You attempted the 2021 gate. 2021 gate you attempted, but you didn't qualify. What may be the reason you are thinking? What may be the reason you are thinking? I am really saying to you, if you are serious about gate examination, without thinking that much, join in Unacademy. Without thinking, don't think that much. You will get lot of advantage. Unacademy is the best place, trust me. Unacademy is the best place for competitive exam. It is the best place. It is the best place for competitive exams. What is the answer of this? Priya, please respond. Priya, please respond. Why you didn't qualify? What is the reason? What may be the reason you are thinking? Then I will guide you. Consider a sorted array of integers of size n with duplicate elements. Consider a sorted array of integers of size n with duplicate elements. So there is a one sorted array, duplicate elements are there. You have been given an element k. What is the time complexity to find that element k is appeared at least n by 4 times or not? Yeah, one array is there like this, 10, sorted array, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 60, 70. Can you help me now? In this array, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? This one contains 13 people. Can you help me now? What is 13 by 4? 13 elements are there, 13 by 4. 13 by 4, roughly how much? 13 by 4. If at all 12, 3. You can make 12 also. Let's make 12 so that problem will not be there. Yeah. Now see this. I think 12 elements are there. What are the 12 by 4? 3. So in this array there is a one person who repeating more than 3 times. At least 3 times. In this array there is a one person who repeating at least 3 times. At least 3 times. In the sorted array there is a one person. Who is that person? Is given the name also. You have been given an element k. What is the time complexity to find that the element k is appeared at least n by 4 times? N by 4 is going to be 3. In this array 50. In this array element 50 repeating at least 3 times. At least 3 times. Right? So to find out is repeating at least 3 times or not, to find out how much time. He will give element also. Remember, he will give element also. Listen, in the sorted array, they are given element 50. You have to, first of all, you have to verify this 50 repeating minimum 3 times or not. Minimum n by 4 times or not, you have to verify. I am repeating the problem. Very simple problem. One sorted array is given. One element 50 also given. He is saying in the sorted array, element 50 repeating minimum 3 times or not, verify. What is the time complexity to find? What is the time complexity to find that the element 50 is appeared at least n by 4 times? N by 4 means 3. At least 3 times. Given sorted array of integers of size 12 with duplicate elements. You have been given an element 50. What is the time complexity to find that element 50 is appeared at least 3 times or not? You have to verify. If I give 50, please verify 50 repeating at least 3 times or not. What will be the time complexity? What is the time complexity? How you do this? I will explain. Very simple. Listen, very simple. Everyone listen, very simple. How to solve this problem? Very simple story. What you do is, listen, what you do is, if you want to find out 50 repeating, at least 3 times or not, if you want to find out, very simple, listen, very simple. What you do is, find, careful everyone, find first 50. Find first 50 using binary search. Find first 50 using binary search. Can you help me? Who is the first 50? I think this one. This is the first 50. Find first 50 using binary search. Can you help me now? Find first 50 using binary search. Yes, let us assume that I find out what is the index. I find out what is the index 7. And one more, binary search will take how much time complexity? Log n. Log n. Right? Find first 50 using binary search. Yes, I find out 7th is the index. What is the time complexity taken? Binary search will take log n. And one more, find second, find last 50. Not first 50, last 50. Find last 50 using binary search. Can you choose the last 50? This one. Index is 11. Because of binary search you done log n. Using binary search find out the first 50 index. Using binary search find out last 50 index. Last 50 index. So first 50 index is 7. Last 50 index is 11. Now listen everyone now. 7 to 11 how many elements are there? 7 to 11 how many elements are there? Very simple, one formula there. 7 to 11 how many elements are there is one formula. 11 last one minus first one 7 plus 1 you do. What is the answer? 11 minus 7 is going to be 4 plus 1 is 5. Totally 5 people. If you want you can check. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See 5 people. 7 to 11 how many people are there? Apply this formula. Last one minus first one plus 1. Last one minus first one plus 1, which is going to be 5 element. Everyone know this 5 is right. Listen, at least 3. This 5 is at least 3. Yes, satisfied. So 5 is greater than or equal to 3. Yes, satisfied. That's over. So 2 times you have to apply binary search, which is going to be 2 log n, which is nothing but forget about constant log n. Forget about constant log n. That's the answer for this. To this problem answer is going to be this. Check anyone having any doubt? Sir, but we didn't take help of at least n by 4th. Ritesh is saying at least n by 4 times. So can you help me know what is the answer? What is the final answer? You got 5. You got final answer 5. This 5 is greater than or equal to n by 4 or not? What is the n value? I am taking 12. 12 by 4 how much? 3. So 5 is greater than or equal to 3. Yes, I took it, sir. Otherwise what is that 3? That 3 is n by 4 only. The value whatever you got, that is greater than or equal to n by 4 or not. True. I done already. So can you say what is the final answer? Check anyone having any doubt? Ritesh, are you getting? So we can check every n by 4th element. It will take to find log n base 4. At the end of the day, same log n base 4 only. Did you try it or not? The final answer is log n only. Why you check every n by 4? What is the guarantee that every n by 4 will give answer? See, very simple. Why you make complicated? Just to do 2 times binary search. Just to do 2 times binary search. Using first binary search, find out first 50. Using one more time binary search, find out last 50. Using first time binary search, find out the first 50. Right? Using one more time binary search, find out last 50. 2 times apply. Why you apply many times? 2 times only apply. 2 times only apply. Afterwards, right? Just last index minus first index you do. Plus 1. Right? This came. This is greater than or equal to n by 4. True. Stop it. You are unnecessarily taking lot of time. Right? Fine. So to this problem, answer is going to be, right, log n. To this problem, answer is log n. To this problem, answer is log n. To this problem, answer is log n. 2 times log n. To this problem, answer is 2 times log n. 2 times log n. Yeah. So until now I taught. Further problems we will see in the next class. Thank you so much for cooperating. Thank you so much. Right? If you really like this class, just go to Unacademy, right? Just go to unacademy.com, right? / at the date of ReddySir you go. If you really like my class, you can follow me. Right? You can follow me. If you really like my, right, this class, if you really like this class, just go to unacademy.com / at the date of ReddySir. Just type, you will get this one. You can follow me so that all my lectures, right, you will get the notification so that you don't miss one class also. Right? All my lectures you will get the notification if you follow me. If you follow me, all my lectures notification you will get. And one more thing is, just go to Unacademy app. Right? Unacademy learning app, download. So many free classes are there, you can see. Unacademy learning app, you go, right? Log in as a CSE student. You will see all my right, special classes which are free, you can see. Right? So many advantages. You will get notification also if you follow me. If you follow me, you will get the notification also. Right? Fine. Thank you so much. Right? See you in the next class.